this paint. It's pretty mixed, but just you always want to make sure
Everything's mixed.
this is a little too powerful, so you're gonna be careful. Here, this thing, we'll just get that other one. We're gonna want the other one anyway. Alright, so now switch sides here. Done that before. When we first shoot out, we want to shoot into this because it's still going to be some ammonia mixed in there. So I'm going to start running the paint. Just as soon as the paint starts coming out, I'm going to shut it down. So we're not like shooting a whole bunch of paint in here. So we're going to use this solution to clean up when we're done here. We still have a little bit of ammonia coming out. And we don't want to get too much mixed in with the paint. So as soon as it starts coming, shut it off. The sooner you flip that up, it makes that stop too. And we'll attach this on here, and then now we're going to shoot through the gun. Just the same way, a couple seconds. So you can see there's still a little bit of ammonia that comes out. Now, we have mostly paint in here, but it's kind of like a little bit watered down, so we want to prime it a little bit for 5-10 seconds to make sure we have all paint now in our machine. And then flip it up and do the same thing through here just to make sure we have 100% paint coming out of our tip when we spray. And then this too, we don't want to leave it like that. We should have a rag here.